Hi everyone, we're back with another challenge lock. This time we've got Boredom by Leyton. There's the bitting on the key. It's quite nasty, some good highs and lows. The key itself works perfectly. Let's see if we can get it picked open. And there we go, we're open. I'll cut the video and we'll gut it and we'll see what's inside. Right, let's have a look what's inside it. That core's got some good mods on it. Drop the key pins out, number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, and rolling everywhere, 5 and 6. Right, let's go in and get the driver pins out. Number 1's a spool. Standard number 2, spooling number 3, it's like a form of T-pin in that one. It's like a barrel spool in 5 and the serrated in 6. Now the core has got some modifications on it. I'll try and zoom in on them, just bear with me. So there is threading in 4, 5 and 6. 1 and 2 have got some undercutting in them and the core has been sliced away as well. Now I've got to confess, I've picked this a couple of times and I ended up in a deep false set in that undercut. So if you don't pick it in the right order, you do come unstuck. Just having a look in the actual Bible itself. I can't quite see with the light, but there could possibly be some threading in the Bible as well. I'll give you a close-up of the pins. There you go. Thanks very much for watching.